Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a ProtonMail account step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to ProtonMail. Click the Sign Up button on the home page. Choose ProtonMail from the list of Proton services if a selection screen appears. Pick the plan you want by selecting free or a paid option. Click Continue to move forward with the chosen plan. Choose your email address by entering a username in the address field. Select the domain you prefer, such as ProtonMail or ProtonMail.com, if available. Check that the username is available and adjust it if you see an error. Create a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Re-enter the password to confirm it matches exactly. If prompted, add a recovery email address to help you regain access later. If prompted, add a recovery phone number only if you are comfortable sharing it. Read the terms and conditions and privacy policy links carefully. Check the box to agree to the terms if you accept them. Complete the verification steps shown on screen, such as a CAPTCHA. If email verification is required, open your recovery email inbox. Find the verification message from Proton and open it. Click the verification link or copy the code back into the Proton sign-up page. Return to the Proton sign-up page and confirm that verification is completed. Click Create Account or Finish to finalize your new mailbox. On the first login screen, enter your new Proton email address and password. Click Sign In to access your ProtonMail inbox. Follow the onboarding prompts to set a display name if asked. Choose a theme or layout preference if you want to customize the interface. Review default security settings like two-factor authentication availability. Enable two-factor authentication if you want extra account protection. Send a test email to yourself or a friend to confirm everything works. Bookmark the ProtonMail login page for faster access next time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.